We're going to use the method of elimination by substitution to solve this equation here. And this is a good candidate for this method because I have one of the equations already solved for one of the variables. So I'm going to name these equations. The top equation I'll name number 1, the bottom equation number 2, and the plan will be to substitute 3x for y in equation 1. See, I already know what y is. What is y? Well, y is 3x. So I'm going to take this 3x and put it right in there for y. We will get 5x plus y, but y is 3x. That's equal to 32. This will give us 8x equals 32. And if I divide by 8, I'll get x is 4. And now I can take that 4 and put it right back in here and get y. So let's do that. So if x equals 4, then y equals 3x gives us y equals 3 times 4. We'll get y equals 12. So let's summarize then. Here's our solution. We get 4 for x, 12 for y. Number 2, we're given this equation here. I'm going to call that equation number 1. And then we're given equation number 2. And notice number 2 is already solved for x. So I'm going to label that one number 2. Now, by the second equation, I know what x is. X is y plus 2. So I'm going to take this y plus 2 and put it in here for x. I'm going to take that y plus 2 and put it right there for x. I'm going to say what I'm going to do here. I'm going to substitute y plus 2 for x in equation 1. That'll look like this. 3 times x. But x I know is y plus 2. And then plus 5y. That's equal to 30. Let's take the 3 through, distribute. We'll get 3y plus 6 plus 5y equals 30. This will give us 3y and 5y. There's an 8y plus 6 equals 30. Let's subtract that 6. So we'll get 8y equals 24. Divide by 8. We'll get y is 3. So now we have the y value. Just put that right back in here and we'll get x. So let's do it. So we know that x equals y plus 2. And we just found that y is 3. So we'll get x equals 3 plus 2. X is 5. So we'll summarize here. Here's our solution. X is 5. Y is 3.